Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Twins podcast, the place where learning English feels easy, fun, and friendly.
Hi, friends. I'm Jack, and this is my twin sister, Emma.
And before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy learning English with us.
All right. Today, we're talking about something super useful, English for daily life, especially shopping, and asking for help when you need it.
Yes, because let's be honest, shopping can be scary in a new language. You stand there like, excuse me? Can you maybe help?
Yeah, or you walk around the store for 10 minutes pretending you know where things are.
Oh, yes. Classic, I'm totally not lost walk. Everyone does that.
But after today, you won't need to do that anymore. We'll show you the simple phrases you need.
Let's start easy. Jack, imagine you're in a store and you can't find something. How would you ask for help?
I would say, "Excuse me, can you help me?" Simple, right?
Very simple and very polite. Listeners, repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me?
One more time. "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Nice and clear. Now, let's add more. What if you need something specific, like bread?
Then I would say, "Excuse me, where can I find the bread?"
Perfect. Friends, repeat with us. Where can I find the bread?
But you can change the object. For example, "Where can I find the shirts?" or "Where can I find the shampoo?"
Here's a fun trick. You can also say, do you have? Like, do you have almond milk? Very useful when you're not sure if the store sells it.
True. And the pronunciation of "do you have" can sound like "do you have" in fast English. But don't worry, both are fine.
Now let's do a mini quiz. Ready, listeners?
Okay, Emma, quiz me first.
All right, Jack. You're in a supermarket. You want rice. What do you say?
I can say, "Excuse me, where can I find the rice?" Or, "Do you have rice?"
Good job. A+ for my brother.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, listeners, your turn. You want batteries. How would you ask? Okay, your answer should be something like, excuse me, where can I find the batteries? Good job.
Now let's talk about when a store worker talks to you. That can also feel scary, right?
Oh, yes. When they say, can I help you find anything? And your brain just freezes.
Yeah, suddenly your English disappears.
But don't worry. Here are simple replies. The easiest one is, yes, please. I'm looking for. Repeat that with me. I'm looking for.
One more time. I'm looking for.
For example, yes, please. I'm looking for a winter jacket. Or, I'm looking for a phone charger.
And if you don't need help, you can say, "No, thank you. I'm just looking."
This is a classic shopping sentence, very common and very safe.
Now let's practice with a little role play. Emma, you're the customer. I'm the store worker.
Okay, ready.
Hello. Can I help you find anything today?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a blue t-shirt.
Sure. It's over here next to the jackets.
Thank you. That was easy.
See? Simple and friendly.
Okay, Jack. Now you be the customer.
Let's go.
Hi there. Can I help you?
No, thank you. I'm just looking.
Perfect. That's all you need. See, friends? Easy, right?
Now, let's talk about another useful phrase. Sometimes you want to know the price.
Ah, yes. Very important. You never want surprises at the counter.
You can ask, "How much is this?" Repeat after me. How much is this?
Great. And if you want to be extra polite, you can say, excuse me, how much is this?
And if you want the price of something far away, like something on a shelf, you can point and say, "How much is that?"
Exactly. This is close to you. That is far from you.
Let's test our listeners. You're holding a bottle of shampoo in your hand. What do you say? Yes. How much is this?
Now imagine the item is on the top shelf, far away. You say, right. How much is that?
Very good. You're doing amazing.
Here's another situation. At the checkout, when you want a bag, you can say, can I have a bag, please?
Or, I don't need a bag. Thank you.
Let's make a fun sound for the checkout. Beep. There you go. Now it feels real.
And sometimes the cashier will ask, do you need a bag? You can answer, yes, please. Or, no, thank you.
Easy. Okay, Jack. Quiz time again. You ready?
Always.
Okay, you're buying apples. The cashier says, do you need a bag? What do you say?
I say, yes, please, if I need one. Or, no, thank you, if I don't.
Perfect.
Now, let's talk about another common line in stores. Excuse me, do you work here?
Oh, yes, because sometimes you ask the wrong person. I once asked a random shopper for help.
Same. I once said, excuse me, can you help me? And he said, I don't work here, bro.
So embarrassed.
So you can say politely, excuse me, do you work here? Repeat that, listeners.
One more time.
Great. Now, Jack, I have a question for you.
Go ahead.
What if someone talks too fast? It happens a lot in stores.
Oh, good point. You can say, sorry, can you say that again? Or, can you speak more slowly, please?
These are lifesaver sentences, super useful. Repeat after me. Can you say that again?
And, can you speak more slowly, please?
Very good.
Here's a small trick for confidence. When you're nervous, take a small breath and smile. A smile always helps. People become kinder.
True, and your English becomes smoother because your brain relaxes.
Speaking of relaxing, let's teach a few friendly shopping phrases.
Like, thank you, that helps a lot.
Oh, that's a good one. Repeat it. That helps a lot.
Another one is great, thank you so much.
And I appreciate your help. This one is very polite.
When you say this, the worker always smiles. Trust me.
Now, Jack, let's play a short, real-life challenge. I'll describe a situation and you say the correct phrase.
Challenge accepted.
Okay, situation 1, you can't find the milk.
Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
Situation 2, you want to know the price.
How much is this?
Situation 3, you need help.
Can you help me?
Situation 4, the worker speaks too fast.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Good. You passed.
I am a shopping master.
A professional shopper.
But now let's talk about one more very common situation.
When you want a different size or color. This happens all the time, especially with clothes.
Oh, yes. You pick something you love, but the size is wrong, too big, too small, or the color looks, not so good.
You mean when you try on a green shirt and suddenly you look like a watermelon?
Exactly. So when you need another size, you can say, do you have this in a different size?
Or, do you have this in medium? Listeners, repeat after me. Do you have this in medium?
And you can change the size. Small, large, extra large, easy.
If you want another color, you can say, do you have this in blue? Or, do you have this in black?
Here's a fun idea. Let's do a tiny fashion show moment. Emma, ask me for a different size like you're in a fancy store.
Okay. Excuse me, do you have this jacket in a small?
Yes, of course. Let me check. Yes, we have it in small.
Thank you. Look at that 5-star service.
I try my best.
Okay, listeners, your turn. Repeat, do you have this in a different color?
Nice and clear. Good job.
Now, let's talk about trying things on because many people don't know what to say.
Super simple. You can ask, can I try this on?
Perfect. Repeat, can I try this on?
And if the changing room is full, the worker might say, "Please wait for a moment." So be patient. That's your moment to check your phone or make dramatic shopping faces.
Last. Oh, yes. Everyone does the waiting but trying to look cool face.
Now, sometimes you try something on and it doesn't fit. What do you say?
Easy. You can say it's too small or it's too big.
And if you like it, you can say it fits well. Repeat that. It fits well.
Nice. Let's do a quick role play again.
I'll try on a shirt.
Okay. Jack, how does it look?
It's too small. My arms are crying for help.
Oh, yes, that shirt is fighting for its life.
Let me try a bigger size.
Perfect example. Listeners, you can also say, do you have a bigger size or do you have a smaller size?
Now let's move to buying things. After choosing your items, you go to the cashier.
And sometimes they ask debit or credit. Don't worry if you freeze. You can just say the card you want to use.
Or they ask, "Would you like the receipt in the bag?"
And you can answer, yes, in the back, please, or no, I'll keep it.
And sometimes you want to check the total again. You can say, "Sorry, can you repeat the total?"
Very useful. Repeat after me. Can you repeat the total?
Great.
Okay, Jack, let's do mini quiz time, cashier edition.
Oh no, the pressure. Let's try.
Question 1. The cashier says, do you need a receipt? What do you reply?
I say yes, please, or no, thank you.
Correct. Question 2. You didn't hear the price clearly.
Can you repeat the total?
Perfect. Question 3. You want to pay with a card.
I say I'll pay with my card.
Good job.
I am basically a supermarket genius now.
Sure, Jack. You're the Einstein of grocery shopping.
Thank you, thank you.
Now let's teach some very friendly phrases that make shopping feel nicer. For example, thank you for your help.
Or have a nice day.
Repeat those with us. Thank you for your help. Have a nice day.
Simple but powerful.
And here's a very natural line when you're leaving a store. Thanks, I found everything I needed.
Oh, that one sounds so grown up, so responsible.
Yes, it makes you sound like a professional adult.
Now let's practice some full conversations. I'll be the store worker. Emma, you're the customer.
Okay, let's do it.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for cooking oil.
Sure, it's on aisle 4, next to the rice.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Perfect. Easy conversation.
Now you be the worker, Emma. I'll be the customer.
Okay,
Excuse me, do you have this in a bigger size?
let me check. Yes, we do. Here you go.
Great, thank you.
Anytime.
See, friends, with these simple sentences, you can shop anywhere in the world.
Absolutely. And these phrases work in supermarkets, clothing stores, tech stores, anywhere.
Now let's do something fun. A fast say it correctly challenge. I'll say a situation, you say the phrase out loud. Ready?
Let's start.
Situation 1. You want to know the price.
Go, say it.
How much is this? Good.
Situation 2. You want to try something on. Yes. Can I try this on?
Situation 3. You want another color. Nice. Do you have this in a different color?
Situation 4. You didn't understand the worker. Correct. Can you say that again?
Amazing. You're doing great.
Now, Jack, I want to teach something small but important. Intonation. Because how you say something changes the meaning.
Yes, if you say, "How much is this?" with a stressed face, you sound angry.
But if you say it with a soft voice and a smile, how much is this? You sound polite.
Let's practice both. First, the angry version.
How much is this?
Now the polite version. How much is this?
Big difference, right?
Huge difference.
Tone is important because in stores, people are often busy. A polite tone makes everything easier.
And it makes people want to help you more.
Now let's teach a polite request form. Could you? Like, could you help me find this? Or could you show me another size?
This is more formal but very polite. Repeat. Could you help me?
One more time.
Great job.
You know, Emma, I think the hardest moment for many learners is when they enter a new store. That first moment.
Yes, you don't know where to look, where to walk, what to say. It feels confusing.
So here's a simple starter sentence. Hi, excuse me, I'm looking for...
This is like a magic key. It unlocks every shopping situation.
Try it, listeners. Say, hi, excuse me, I'm looking for...
Perfect.
And if the worker is busy or doesn't hear you, don't panic. Just wait a moment and try again with a smile.
Exactly. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection.
Speaking of confidence, let's end with one last role play. But this time, the listeners join us.
Ooh, yes. Interactive time.
Okay, friends, imagine you walk into a store. I'll be the worker.
And I'll guide you.
Ready?
He looks at you and says, Hi, can I help you? Good. You say, Yes, please. I'm looking for...
Now he asks, what size do you need?
You answer with your size. Great.
Then he says, do you want to try it on?
Nice. You say, Yes, please.
And finally, you ask, how much is this?
Perfect. You just completed a full shopping conversation.
You should be proud, seriously.
Yes, and remember, the more you practice these lines, the easier they become.
And soon, you'll shop in English like a natural speaker.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments what you want us to talk about next.